Morning friends, it's Gina Shumway with the Auburndale Group at Keller Williams downtown. Today I want to talk to you guys about the top 5 tips for investing in real estate. The first thing that I want to talk to you about is number 1, do your homework. Trust me, if you put the time in now to learn what you're doing, it will save you a ton of headache in the future. Ask me how I know. I recommend that you read lots of books, anything by David Green, Brandon Turner. There's a ton of great books right now that all talk about various types of real estate investing, whether it be long-term, mid-term, short-term, BRRRR method strategies, 1031 exchanges. All of these are things that you need to learn about to figure out what your strategy is going to be and how you're going to implement it. Also, get a mentor. If you have somebody that you have seen that they are doing it and they're doing it successfully, talk to them. Don't just ask them if they will show you how it's done, because I promise you if they're doing it well, there's a lot of people who are asking them the same thing. What I recommend is offer them something of value. Ask them what you can do for them. That way you can have a mutually beneficial relationship and they'll be more likely to offer you words of advice. If you can work with them, even if it's for a reduced rate or even just for free, just offer to run errands for them or things. I promise you that you will see things that they do and you'll be able to learn from it, and it will definitely benefit you in the long run. Number 2, when you're ready to make the move, get pre-approved, or at least figure out what your financing is, whether that be financing with a partner, whether that be creative financing, whatever it is that you're going to do, figure out your financing before you make a move. Because one of the worst things you can do is find a deal that you want and not be able to move on it. So get pre-approved, figure out your financing first. The next thing, number 3, is get to know your market. Whether that be driving around, looking at a ton of deals. Most importantly, I would say get an agent who knows the market very well and can help you with that. To make sure you have boots on the ground. If you are investing long distance, make sure that you have an agent who not only knows the area but knows investment real estate. The next thing I would say is it is so important to build a good support network. Having the right contractor will save you so much headache, and having the right project manager will save you a ton of headache. If you have a good project manager and they know the area very well, you can talk to them and ask them how much you think that they would be able to rent a specific property that you're interested for, and they can be invaluable. Number 5, and this one I think people don't talk about because it's not something that we necessarily think about in the beginning, is get an accountant or get your financing in order. Get a bookkeeper. Make sure that you have somebody who can look at your finances and can help save you with tax advantages, depreciation, those types of things to be able to help you in your business. So those are my top 5 things, and the Auburndale Group can help you with all of them. As far as doing your homework, we have real estate events that we have where we talk about various methods of investing, strategies, what's going on in the market, all types of things, so we can help you do your homework. We have access to lots of different lenders, whether it be a conventional loan, hard money loan, all of those different things. We have a network of people who can help you achieve your goals. And then knowing your market, that's what we're for. We know the Chattanooga market and we would love to help you find the property you want. And as far as getting a support network, the Auburndale Group has been in business for years, and we have created a network of various service providers, lenders, insurance carriers, you name it, we have a contact for that. And that's what you get when you are a client of the Auburndale Group. And accountants, we can help you there too. We do know accountants. We are not a financial advice team. That is not what we do, but we can get you in touch with the right people. So those are my top 5 things. If you have any questions or concerns or comments or what have you, like and subscribe our page, send me a message. We'll also link our Instagram so you can contact us there. I would love to help you in any way that I can, whether it be for support, for cheering on, or finding your right property. My name is Gina Shumway with the Auburndale Group, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Have a great day. Let's do this.